Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add a link to your Instagram story. So if you want to add a particular link or a specific link to your Instagram story so that all users can easily click on the link and go to the link directly, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to add a link to your Instagram story is go ahead and open the Instagram application, click on the plus icon and then select story. Once you selected story, go ahead and upload your Instagram story. So scroll through, locate and select the photo or the story you want to post. Then once selected, go ahead and select this sticker icon on the navigation. Then come down here, it should say link. Click on that. Then you'll be prompted to type in the link. So go ahead, type in the link you want to direct people to from your Instagram story. So just type in the link. Make sure you confirm the link. And once you've typed in the link, I just click on see preview to see the link preview. So this is going to confirm whether the link is working perfectly or not. And then after that, go ahead and click on the save button at the top right. You can also add a customized sticker text. So click on save. Then you should see the link like this. If you press and hold, then you should have more information on the link, whether to delete the link or edit the link. And once you are done, go ahead and post this on your story. Now go to your Instagram story. Then you should see the Instagram story with the link, and then you're good. So that's exactly how to add a link to your Instagram story. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.